camera channels. We are going to be. Okay, we're gonna be trying to make some. Okay, I don't know, some randomness 8-minute video or something. I don't even know. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna pay out on this food. Food! Yes! Okay, I'm sorry, I'm so hyperactive. This late. Okay. I'm so hyper this late at night. Huh. Hello there. Hi. Maybe we can make some new friends. I'm not normal. No, I'm not. I'm not normal at all. Okay. They just started jumping. Are they ignoring me? Nobody even. Okay, I guess nobody likes me. I'm not good enough, am I? Nobody. Oh, okay, they said hi. So, I'm gonna say hello too. Just to be nice. What is that guy doing walking on the chair with some pizza? No, not chairs. I think they're not chairs. I don't even know. Yeet. Okay, hello. Okay, what is that guy even doing? I don't know, but I'm not even gonna bother. That guy's sitting right inside of the table down there. What is he even doing? Seriously, who sits at the table? Yeah, I'm eating all the food. Food. Okay. I like the term food. Let's be buddies. Oh, let's say, okay. Okay, I will buddy you. Doo-doo. Okay, I'm the best. They want to be my buddy. Okay, I'm buddies with the best person. Just, wow. Whoa. Really? I just got rejected. That was, seriously, I guess I'm not swag after that. Good for them. Ooh, let's say, okay, I'm gonna be friends with this guy. Hi, let's be friends. Friends with everybody. Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing what he does. Okay, this is literally the weirdest thing in the world. Hey, with me, okay, I don't even know what she's talking about. Hello. Hee hee. So, okay, I'm gonna stick my tongue out of too. It's so fun. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it is so fun. Okay. I don't even know. Okay. I'm just gonna say goodbye now. Bye.